So how can you export the journal entries on the iPhone? Let's explain that. If it's your first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So as you know, on iPhone, we have recently got the journal application, which is made specifically on the of course, like on the iPhone, it's like the Apple official app, and you can start like any of your journals, add in whatever you want, right? And once you are done, and if you want to export it and just share it somewhere, or I don't know, save it in a different place, what you can do is basically have this like full view of your journals. Tap on the three dots, and I want you to click on the print button because there isn't any way to like share it right away. You can click on the print, which will turn the whole thing, like your journal entry, into a PDF file ready to be printed out. We are not actually going to perform the print with an actual, physical paper, but right now we can tap on the share again, and we now have the journal in a PDF format. So right now we have the option to save it to our files or use some kind of different applications. Like you can, for example, upload it to the Google Drive or use any of the other services available in here to get the journal entry from the device to some other place. So that would be like a nice way of exporting the journal entries. Obviously, it works the same on iPhone, iPad, and all your Apple devices. So let me know if it works for you. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.